vampires. So basically, I am going to show you that framework can be buggy in some of the instances that it will have been so important for it not to be. This one is an instance where I have created in within a component, instead of duplicating, as you see, these variants as they have engineering text and operation text, I have created variables called title, and within those variables, if I go to these master components, which, just to show you, so we were in button careers and now we're in the menu careers. So those buttons form a form of menu selection that in the career section, I can select this and then it should change to the correct, let's say, job post. This is for jobs. The problem that I've encountered was it just doesn't work. Like, if one works, let's say I've got button primary, if I press design, doesn't work. And if I press phone, let's put this visible. Um, Not this one. This one I don't care. Let's just say it's phone developer, but this one is the one I care, and I want this one to be visible. So my problem is, you can see I've got selected to design and then design back to this. So when I press design, I should have it black and the menu, and that doesn't work. So this is the interesting solution. We go back to the buttons and we go here and we remove the click here. We remove the click here, and I'll try to keep the title. I pray that it works. But now we can see that we don't have those animations here and we don't have them here anymore. So let's try to do one to here and let's see if that works. Design, bam, no, it does not. Let's try to do it here though. Let's try to remove this. Why it's going there, I don't know. Why it's going there, I don't know. But for me, I've got here and then I've got here. So does this work now? I go press play. This works. Does this work? It works. So sometimes when you create components within Figma and then you create interactions between them, it automatically appears to add certain elements between each other, which make absolutely no sense. But what I'm really happy with is that I can still have my variables here, because that should save a lot of time. So now what that means is, if I go here, nothing. If I go here though, this one definitely I want to cut it off. And if I go here, this one is a bit weird. No, it works well. This one is how it's supposed to. This one again, it's a bit weird. So let's finish this and then I will try to see exactly if everything works according to plan. So this one works. Let's go engineering to engineering, and then let's go engineering to nothing. And then also let's put design to this, and let's put operations. Let's make it a bit smaller. Okay, let's have here, and let's add new transitions on click to phone operations selected. So now if I look, it's going back there. And if I add here a transition, and it should go to just phone once it's deselected. And of course I've got here engineering, and that one I can go back here, and design, I can go back to design. So let's see if everything works. Design works, off works, engineering works, off works, operations works, operations to design works, but design to operations does not. So there's just a couple of variables. So from design here, so from operations, we need to go to operations, and let's see if that was everything. So design works, engineering works, operations works, and now between each other to engineering no, to operations no. So from the design, okay, to engineering, and then from design to operations. Cool. Let's see if that sorted everything. So I've got design, I've got engineering, I've got design, I've got operations, and then I've got operations, I've got engineering, I've got operations, I've got design, I've got engineering, I've got design. Bam. Everything works. Does this still work? Let's see. Please do so. Yes. So now I just need to do everything else and we'll be done. But please bear in mind, if this happens to you, go in there, find the root cause, delete those variables, and get back to recreating the interactions.